Today guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox not launching. So for example, if you're going to some kind of game, say this one, and then you're pressing play, open up your client and it doesn't work, this is actually a problem that is tied to your client. So in order to fix that, you can try navigating to this folder. This is pretty much going to be our settings folder for Roblox. So this is the path, just make sure to follow it carefully, and then you delete the folders. Then you delete temporary and versions. Delete these three folders and then try again. And then guys, of course, most issues are fixed by just reinstalling Roblox. So just type in Roblox download and go ahead and just re-download it. And also before you do that, go to your settings, installed apps, search for Roblox, and then just of course remove it first, this and Studio if you use it also, and install it, and then reinstall it from the official websites. So these are pretty much the fixes, guys. This should help you out, especially the folder one. Enjoy, guys. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.